So today we're going to demonstrate how to remove the upper scraper bar that holds these springs in, so that you can adjust the tightness of the springs. So to start with a 19 millimeter wrench, and then loosen the left side here, and then on the right side here, there's another one. Okay, and then loosen the nut, the inner nuts. There's two nuts, and then that should allow you to remove the bar, and then remove the holder with the spring. Slide that out, and then you can then take a wrench to retighten the spring. So then, just to put it back in, just put the bar in, line up the nuts, and then retighten the nuts. Okay, then after you line up and retighten the nuts, then make sure that the springs are aligned on top of the bar here on top. Then you can retighten the outer nuts, like so.